আজ আমি নেতাজি সুভাষচন্দ্র বোসের এসে বা প্যারাগ্রাফ বলতে চলেছি। প্রথম লাইনটা, নেতাজি সুভাষচন্দ্র বোস was a great freedom fighter. He known as Netaji. He is famous for their thoughts and works. He was born on 23rd January 1897 in Cuttack. His father's name was Janakinath Bose and his mother's name was Prabhavati Bose. He became the president of Indian National Congress in 1938 and 1939. He known as a great son of Mother India. He was the leader of Azad Hind Fauj. From young age, he was brilliant and determined. He studied at the Presidency College in Kolkata and later went to England to prepare for the Indian civil services. He fought for our country with British. He found forward blogs. He gave famous quotes like "Give me blood and I shall also give you freedom." এই প্যারাগ্রাফটা কেমন লাগলো বলবেন, কমেন্টে জানাবেন এবং আমার চ্যানেলটাকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করে দেবেন, লাইকও করে দেবেন।